fucking asshole. He's ever in that white fucking looks like a Ford Explorer.
I was barely 13 when the company man tried to dig my daddy's grave. It happened on a French-owned tanker ship, spilling poison into Galveston Bay, where the liquid fire filled his lungs and his eyes silenced any more cries. Cold in the green, dead stinging pain, he fought like hell to keep the wolves away. As a dog, but it made recovery just to spite the odds. The settlement came and we moved out of town, where the sky isn't heavy with refined clouds. Yeah, he's still alive, he's doing good, he's in his 50s, but the money's running out. He's painting forgettings, so I'm going for broke with every song I play, 'cause now it's my turn to keep the wolves away.
then stomp your ass right in the ditch. 12 pack, rack with a gauge, bumper, sticker, tailgate. Says goddamn right, I'm American made. Earn what I got, ain't nothing you can say. Outlaw, living on the stage. Another hotel, another city and state. Renegade with a road to pave. Rest when I'm dead, sleep in my grave.
Whoa, on that wide open highway, all my troubles in the wind. Oh, on that wide open highway, life that I'm living is a dead man's hand. Feel the thunder on the pavement, I'm smoking down the road. I hear that old Satan, well he's after my soul. I put my past and fear to rest, I left them all behind. Like the ashes from my cigarette as they blow into the night. In the wind, oh, on that wide open highway, life that I'm living is a dead man's hand. Oh.